Did I kill y'all's jam?
His jam. That's not my jam. I won't own to that jam at all.
You like half of those songs on there. They're the same half of the songs that are on that other radio station. So they play 37 times a day.
Doug doesn't like a song that she talks about digging holes and finding them when she's older, but they play it like 4 times a day. So
You're not on that Fab Shop program?
what's that?
I don't know. What is it, like Miley Cyrus, Selena Gomez, Taylor Swift?
They have the weirdest playlist in there. I mean, I walked in the other day and I was like, is this Britney Spears? They're like, no, I don't think so. They walk over and it was Britney Spears. It's like, huh?
Yeah, next
Yeah,
door.
in the Fab room.
Oh.
He's like, that wasn't on my playlist. I was like, sure.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know, so I'm gonna play Britney Spears.
Absolutely. Gets the spirit going.
I don't know her songs.
You're probably not missing much.
I muted the TV. Oh, I better not say that. I was gonna say I muted the TV when the halftime show came on.
I had to look up last night the curmudgeon.
Curmudgeon.
Dude, I showed that clip to Garrett and KC, and they were like, "What the heck is Shopdad talking about? What is curmudgeon?" I was like, "I don't know. Let's look it up."
Gotta Google
and then we
it.
saw it. And it was like crusty, like ill-mannered old person or something like that. And so I took the little definition and I put it next to you whenever it said it, like the little definition with the pronunciation and everything.
That's pretty funny.
I don't know if you saw it or
I
not.
didn't see it yet.
It ended up kind of late on there, but
Yeah.
we like that Shopdad vocabulary, learning new stuff every day.
New word.
Old words.
Old words, yeah. Where did I hear that last?
I even looked up the origin. It said it was from the 16th century.
I'm not quite that old. We are sticking in the H4 headlights here today.
Fancy.
We got one in over here. I'm just playing with the fitment of it a little bit there. Tell you what, we're gonna see the coyotes out in front of us and behind us too.
Well, they'll at least see it coming before they get hit by this big old bash bar.
Oh, it doesn't say coyote on it, does it?
No,
Dang.
it's okay. You tried.
I tried. Tried to make a pun, but you know, what can I do?
Get you ready for makeup. I was just in there with Keenan, and I was telling him, I was like, oh, next time one of the Snap-on or Mack truck guys comes, I need to get myself a little light so that way when y'all are working underneath stuff, or I can light it up all nice. And he said I'd probably be better off buying something not Snap-on because these things are expensive.
Oh my God! I about had a heart attack. I've been using Casey's light since I started, and I wanted one of those, and I decided I didn't like all the little multi LEDs. Screws up my head. So Casey had the Snap-on guy stop in. I said, I need one of those lights. Go ahead and put me down for one. I'm still making payments.
How's Project Chevelle going?
Project Chevelle, it's doing good. It hasn't blown away. It stayed right where I left it. Now so I sold the Blazer.
Right.
And I called Casey when I sold it. Said, hey, Monday morning, we're coming in and ordering ride tech stuff. That was a month ago or so, 3 weeks ago.
Dang it. I did not need to hear that. I just went in there yesterday and told them I needed to order Willwood stuff for my car.
I gotta order Willwood stuff for mine. Maybe we should
Hey, you better go ahead and get on it.
Yeah.
If we're gonna be waiting a month.
You better take a little caribou Lou up there with you down in his office.
I'll just go up there and tell him, just procrastinate. Then it'll just tell me I'm fired, so I guess it doesn't really help. Can't win.
No, you can't. So this is a snazzy console that you just whipped up out of some plastic.
Out of some plastic.
That's how Doug put it.
Yeah, I already got told it looks like a pair of dice.
I like it. What's wrong with dice?
I don't know.
Everybody likes the
I
game.
wanted the cup holders like this, but they wouldn't fit.
Like what?
Side to side.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But they wouldn't fit in the seats.
You at least need to be able to fit like a 32 ounce in there.
Yeah, and it's a standard.
Oh, I
With
see.
the shifter that
Yeah,
moves
yeah.
friggin' a bunch.
I gotta see what Bruce is about to do here. See, you got some fancy tape work going on over here.
Gonna do some caulking. Always need to wear rubber when messing with your caulk.
It's a tech tip.
I said this caulk is really hard. It's hard to squeeze it.
Just one stroke, or do you do short strokes? One long stroke?
I like to keep it smooth. You don't want to be too rough on whatever it is you're working with. This stuff has to be tooled, so don't judge my caulk work.
This finger is really good at the right.
Why are you caulking this? Is this a liner?
Because it's a seam
Uh-huh.
that you don't want water to get into, because then it'll cause it to rust and
Gotcha.
really mess some stuff up. So I think it comes from the factory seam sealed, right? Well, if it doesn't, well, it does now and it's better. But if you caulk it, it just keeps water from going into that seam and will keep it from rusting.
You should know how to handle your caulk, Bruce. That's a nice line there.
It looked ugly, but
Not too bad.
And after that, it'll dry and you can sand it from there and get it even smoother, because it's the easy sand. It's made for plastic repair, but if you read it, can be used as seam sealer over 2K primer.
There you go.
Works better than all the other ones because it sands really nice. You can really make it look good, rather than normal seam sealer, which you can't.
And that's been your 2-minute tech tip with Bruce.
And that's it for today's class. Back to Zach.
Back to your regular scheduled programming. Oh, that's me.
All right, let's get to learning some glue here.
Learning some glue.
Uh-huh.
Now I'm gonna spray it and it's just gonna go like.
Are you gonna huff it first?
No.
Oh.
I'm gonna get plenty of that. That food. Oh, there.
Damn, dude, that's awesome. So hey, Bruce.
What?
Where are we at on that DNA test?
I don't know.
Oh, you still haven't heard?
Yeah, it's only been 3, maybe 4 weeks.
Oh, you need 6.
Need 6 to 8.
6 to 8.
So still got a while.
What are you hoping to find out?
We're gonna be checking the mail.
I'm hoping to find out that I'm a long lost inheritant of somebody's money.
What's going on, dude?
Just making sure my crack ain't showing.
Thanks for making my job easier.
It'll save you a few hours of blurring.
Yeah. What's going on with this whole thing?
Getting a new radio.
Oh, really?
Yep. The other one was weird. So this one's much better.
And this thing has a front-facing camera too. Is that what you're?
Now this is the mic.
Oh, the mic.
Yeah.
Must be all tricked out, Bluetooth and
The old one
voice
had a,
activated.
Yeah, the old one had a driving cam, but you don't really need them unless you're in Russia or something. The got a new rear view camera on it, so it's a lot smaller and tucks under the bumper a lot better. And then this thing will go home after that.